Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. In today's session, we are going to continue with our topic of Patra Lekhanam. In the previous session, we have discussed the format of Anaupacharikam Patram. Today, we are going to see some examples based on Patra Lekhanam. So, let's get started. As I have told you earlier, the question of Patra Lekhanam carries 5 marks. The letter will be consisting of 10 blanks which you have to fill in with the help of the words given in Manjusha. While solving the question of Patra Lekhanam, we need to take some important points into consideration. You should know the relation existing between the Kartrupadam and Kriyapadam, that is, the subject and the verb. You should also know the relation between the Visheshana Padam and Visheshya Padam, that is the adjective and the qualified noun. The rules of Karak Vibhaktihi and Upapad Vibhaktihi should be understood by you while solving the question of Patra Lekhanam. The knowledge of these basic rules of Sanskrit grammar will help you in choosing the correct words from the Manjusha. While dealing with Patra Lekhanam, we need to read the main question carefully, because very often the hints related to answers are given in the question itself. For instance, when we read the question, we come to know that who is the recipient of the letter and who is the sender. As per the rule, the recipient of the letter is to be mentioned in Sambodhan Vibhaktihi and the name of the sender is to be mentioned in Prathama Vibhaktihi. Let's try to understand it with the help of one example. For instance, here is the question. Mitram prati likhitam adhodattam patram manjushapada sahayataya purayitva punah likhata. Complete the letter which is written to a friend with the help of the words given in Manjusha and rewrite the same. When we read the question, we come to know that the recipient of the letter is a friend and this letter is written by a friend. But in this question, the name of the recipient or the name of the sender are not mentioned. Let's see one more example. Here is one more question. Bhavan Pramodah Swavidyalayasya Varnanam Kurvata Pitaram Prati Likhitam Patram Manjushapada Sahayataya Purayitva Punah Likhata. You have to assume yourself as Pramod and you have to complete the letter which is written to your father describing your school. When we read the question, we come to know that the recipient of this letter is Pita, that is father, and the sender is Putraha, that is the son. The name of the recipient is not mentioned in the question, but the name of the sender is mentioned, that is Pramodaha. So it becomes clear that Pramodaha will be written at the end of the letter and this name will be mentioned in Prathama Vibhaktihi. Now let's try to solve one question of Patra Lekhanam. Agrajam prati likhitam adhodattam patram manjushapada sahayataya purayitva punah likhata. Complete the following letter which is written to your elder brother with the help of the words given in Manjusha and rewrite the same. After reading the question, we come to know that the recipient of this letter is the Agrajaha, that is the elder brother, and the sender of the letter is Anujaha, that is younger brother. The name of the recipient or the sender is not mentioned in the question. Now let's see the letter. Here is the letter. We are going to fill in the blanks with the help of the words given in Manjusha. First, let's try to understand the meanings of the words given in Manjusha.
Here is the Manjusha. Let's see the meanings of the words. Lekhishyati is a lit lakar form and it means will write. Dillitaha means from Delhi. Kushali means fine. The next word is Samyak. It means well. Priya Agraja. It is used in Sambodhan Vibhaktihi and it means dear elder brother. Agamishyati is also used in Lit Lakarah and it means will come. The next word is Kushalam. It means fine. Anujaha means younger brother. Smarataha is a Lat Lakar form. It's the form of Smru Smaradhatuhu, Lat Lakarah, Pratham Purushaha Dvivachanam, and here it means miss you. Smru Smara means to remember or to miss someone. The last word is Avashyam, which means must.
Students, I hope you have understood the meanings of the words given in Manjusha. Now, let's try to complete the letter with the help of these words.
Here is the letter. First, we have to mention the name of the place and the date. Which word indicates the name of the place in Manjusha? It is Dillitaha. So the answer to the first blank is Dillitaha. Then we have to mention the date. As I have told you earlier, you can write the date in simple format such as 30th of July 2020. Then we have to address the recipient. It should be in Sambodhan Vibhaktihi. In Manjusha, Priya Agraja, these two words are used in Sambodhan Vibhaktihi. So the answer to the second blank is Priya Agraja, dear elder brother. Pranamaha, my salutations to you. Aham atra dash asmi, I am fine here. Which word indicates the meaning fine? It is kushali. Aham atra kushali asmi, I am fine here. Bhavan api tatra kushali asti iti manni. I hope this letter reaches you when you are doing fine. It means I hope this letter finds you in the pink of your health. Mata pitarau tu sarvada tvam dash. Both mother and father always miss you. Now which verb indicates the meaning to miss? It is smarataha. So the answer to the fourth blank is smarataha. Thus, we have got the answers to the first four blanks. Let's continue with the same letter. Tavagraja agami mase Rakshabandhana Parvani Gruham dash. Agraja means elder sister. Your elder sister is going to come home in the next month on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. Which word indicates the meaning is going to come or will come? It is agamishyati. So the answer to the fifth blank is agamishyati. Bhavan api dash agacchatu. You too must come. Which word indicates the meaning must? It is avashyam. So the answer to the sixth blank is avashyam. Students, in this sentence, the word bhavan means you. In Sanskrit, bhavan is used to express respect. In Hindi, it can be translated as aap. Bhavan api avashyam agacchatu. आप भी जरूर आइए. अस्मिन् विषये तवाग्रजा अपि त्वां पत्रं dash. Your elder sister will write a letter to you about this. Which word means will write? It is lekhishyati. So the answer to the seventh blank is lekhishyati. भवतः अध्ययनं dash चलति इति वयं चिन्तयामः. वयं चिन्तयामः. We think or we hope that your studies are going well. Which word indicates the meaning well? It is samyak. So the answer to the 8th blank is samyak. Thus, we have got the answers to the next 4 blanks. Let's continue with the letter. Here is the next line. Now we are left with 2 words and there are 2 blanks. Let's try to get the correct words. Anyat sarvam dash. Anyat sarvam, rest all, is okay or fine. The word for okay or fine is kushalam. So the answer to the 9th blank is kushalam. Sarvebhyah mitrebhyah madiyaha shubhakamanaha. My greetings to all your friends. Bhavatah dash. Your Anujah, younger brother, Kuladeepah. Thus, we have got the answers to all the 10 blanks. Students, like this, you are going to rewrite the letter in your answer book and you will underline all the answer words with pencil.
Solving the question of Patra Lekhanam is like solving a puzzle, isn't it? Now get ready to solve one more question. भवान आदित्यः शैक्षिक भ्रमणाय अनुमतिं व्ययार्थं धनं च प्राप्तुं पितरं प्रति लिखितं अधोदत्तं पत्रं मञ्जूषापदसहायतया पूरयित्वा पुनः लिखत. Assume yourself as Aditya and complete the letter which is written to your father in order to get his permission to go on an educational trip and to get some money. Now, after reading the question, can you guess who is the recipient and who is the sender of the letter? The recipient of the letter is Pita, that is father, and the sender is Putraha, that is the son. The name of the recipient is not mentioned in the letter, but the name of the sender is mentioned and it is Aditya. Now let's see the letter.
Here is the letter and the Manjusha is also provided for your help. Let's try to understand the meanings of the words given in Manjusha. The first word is Nivedaniyaha and the meaning of the word is convey. Chhatraihi is used in Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam and the word means with students. Pranamami is used to offer salutations. The next word Anumatihi means permission. Aditya is the name of the sender. Chhatravasatah means from hostel. The next word is Nagpuram. It's the name of the place and it means to Nagpur. The next word is Pratham Satriya. It means first semester. Panchashatam means 500. And the last word Anantaram means after.
Students, I hope that you have understood the meanings of all the words given in Manjusha. Now get ready to solve the question. The letter will be displayed again. You can pause the video and can think about the answers, and once it is done, you can go to the part where the answers are discussed.
Students, you can pause the video and can think about the answers. I hope you are ready with your answers. Let's check them. First, we have to mention the place. It is Chhatravasatah. The next is the date. 29th of September 2020. Adarniyaha Pitruvaryaha, respected father. And then the salutations are to be offered with the help of the word Pranamami. Sadaram Pranamami. My salutations to you. Atra kushalam tatrapi astu. Everything is fine here. I hope you are doing fine as well. Mama dash pariksha samapta. My first semester examination is over. The word for first semester is prathama satriya. Pariksha patrani atishobhanani abhavan. The papers went very well. It means the papers were easy. Thus, we have got the answers to the first 3 blanks of the letter. Let's continue with the letter. The next sentence is Pariksha phalam saptahat dash agamishyati. The results will be declared after a week. The Sanskrit word for after is anantaram. So the answer to the 4th blank is anantaram. Yavat pariksha parinamah na agacchati तावत् मम विद्यालयस्य अध्यापिकाः अस्मान् शैक्षिकभ्रमणाय dash निश्यन्ति. Shaikshikamrhamanaaya means on an educational trip. By the time the results will get declared, our school's teachers are taking us to Nagpur on an educational trip. The missing word in the sentence is the name of the place, and that is Nagpuram. So the answer to the 5th blank is Nagpuram. Ahamapi sarvaihi dash sah gantumichhami. I too want to go along with all the students. And the missing word is with all the students. Ahamapi sarvaihi छात्रैः सह गन्तुमिच्छामि. एतदर्थं भवतः dash आवश्यकी अस्ति. भवतः your आवश्यकी अस्ति is required. Your permission is required for the same. And the missing word is permission. The Sanskrit word for the same is anumatihi, and the answer to the 7th blank is anumatihi. Thus, we have got the answers to the next 4 blanks. Let's see the next sentence. Atah anumatim pradaya dash rupyakani api preshayatu. Atah, so, please grant me the permission and also send 500 rupees. The missing word is 500, and that is panchashatam. Matrucharanayoho mama pranamaha dash. Convey my regards to mother. The word for convey is nivedaniyaha. So the answer to the 9th blank is nivedaniyaha. Matrucharanayoho mama pranamaha nivedaniyaha. Bhavatah priyah putrah Adityah. Your dear son Aditya. Thus, we have got the answers to all the 10 blanks. I hope you have understood the letter and the meanings of all the words. And as I have told you earlier, once you get the answers to all the blanks, you will rewrite the letter in your answer book and you will underline all the answer words with pencil.
Students, now I am giving you one letter for homework. This question is to be solved by you. The question is, Bhavan Avinashah जन्मदिवसस्य कृते मित्रं प्रति लिखितम् अधोदत्तं वर्धापनापत्रं मञ्जुषापदसहायतया पूरयित्वा पुनः लिखत. You are Avinash. Complete the letter which is written to your friend greeting him for his birthday with the help of the words given in Manjusha and rewrite the same. Let's see the letter.
Here is the letter, and the Manjusha is also provided for your help. I'll read out the letter for you. Jaipuram, Tithihi, Priya Mitra dash Saprema Namaha, Atra dash तत्रापि अस्तु। अधुनैव भवतः जन्मदिवसस्य डैश् प्राप्तम्। अस्मिन् अवसरे अहं तुभ्यम् एकम् उपहारं डैश्। तुभ्यं मम डैश् रोचते इति मन्ये। अहं तस्मिन् डैश् नगरे न भविष्यामि। आवश्यककार्यवशात् अहं डैश् गमिष्यामि। अतः तव जन्मदिवससमारोहे आगन्तुं डैश् अस्मि। जन्मदिवसस्य हार्दाः शुभाशयाः। सर्वेभ्यः मम प्रणामाः डैश्। भवतः मित्रं डैश्। Students, you have to complete the letter with the help of the words given in Manjusha.
So students, try to solve the question and write the letter in your Sanskrit's notebook or on assignment sheets. That concludes the focus of the discussion today. I'll finish up saying Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha.